Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Timo Bolte from Bolte Design, and this is my blog about lifestyle, about supercars, flowers, about the top spaces in the world. Today I'm in Courchevel, and as you can see, it's a beautiful winter ski resort, the winter version to Saint-Tropez and Monaco, and of course, as is the winter version of the super places. We have beautiful supercars, so check them out. Courchevel is a place where all the super rich, super famous and Russian oligarchs are going for ski. Here are more supercars and 5-star Michelin restaurants than anywhere else at the moment. Even Paris does not have as many 5-star hotels in such a small area as this place. So doesn't surprise that all the super brands are here, and we have loads and loads of supercars. So just check it out.